Part 1, the death of the traditional portfolio. For decades, the 60-40 portfolio was the gold standard. 60% stocks, 40% bonds. It was safe, it was predictable, and it was the foundation of the middle-class retirement. But as we enter 2026, the old rules have been set on fire. The volatility of the new global economy means that buy and hold is no longer enough. If you are just waiting for your stock price to go up, you are gambling on a future that no one can predict. The wealthy have moved on. They have realized that in an era of uncertainty, cash flow is the only king that matters. We are entering the age of the cash flow fortress, where your portfolio isn't just a number on a screen. It's a living, breathing entity that feeds you every single day. Part 2, the psychology of the dividend empire. Why do dividends work so well? It's not just about the money, it's about the psychology of ownership. When you own a share of a dividend-paying company, you aren't a speculator, you are a partner. You are receiving a portion of the profits that the machine has generated. This creates a feedback loop of wealth. While most investors panic when the market drops 10%, the dividend investor smiles. Why? Because a drop in price means a rise in yield. It means you can buy more cash flow for less money. This is the dividend dynasty mindset. We don't care about the noise on the news. We care about the checks in the mail. We are building a legacy that survives the cycles of the market. Part 3, the 2026 economic shift. We are seeing a massive restructuring of how companies distribute value. In the past, companies spent billions on stock buybacks to pump their prices. But in the current economic climate, investors are demanding real, tangible returns. We are seeing a surge in dividend growth stocks, companies that have not only paid dividends for decades but have increased them every single year. These are the aristocrats of the market. In 2026, these companies are the anchors of the global economy. They are the providers of our energy, our food, and our infrastructure. By owning them, you are essentially owning the backbone of civilization itself. This is how you build a dynasty that lasts for generations. Part 4, building your fortress. So how do you start? You don't need $1 million to build a fortress, you just need a plan. It starts with the first dollar of passive income. That first check for 50 cents is more important than your entire salary. Why? Because it's the proof of concept. It's the moment you realize that your money can work harder than you can. From there, it's a game of compounding. You reinvest every cent. You let the snowball grow. By the time the world realizes the economy has changed, your fortress will already be built. The 9-5 is a trap designed to keep you trading your time for survival. The dividend dynasty is the escape hatch. It's time to stop working for money and start making money work for you. Welcome to the dynasty.